Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into clearing mindset limiting beliefs and releasing negative emotions. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, transforming your inner dialogue into a tool for growth and positivity. First, recognize your limiting beliefs. These are the small internal voices that say, "I can't," or "I'm not enough." Start by writing them down. This simple act can unveil hidden patterns in your thinking. Once written, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief based on facts or assumptions? A couple of powerful questions to ask are, according to who, and when did I decide I wasn't enough? Also, with support, do a deep dive to uncover the root cause. You can flip each limiting belief by asking, what would I like to be or experience instead? For example, switch "I'm not capable" to "I am improving every day." Taking the conscious time to flip the script daily can rewire your neurology, opening new pathways to success. Next, it's important to process and release negative emotions. Emotions are natural, but holding on to misplaced negativity can drag us down. Practice mindfulness to acknowledge how you're feeling without judgment. Taking deep Hawaiian huna breaths helps focus on the present. This awareness allows you to process emotions instead of burying them. Another powerful tool is visualization. Envision yourself stepping beyond your current limitations and thriving. Imagine the ultimate best version of yourself and nurture this image daily. Visualization creates a mental and neurological direction and focus that fuels confidence and positivity. Additionally, cultivate a gratitude practice. Write down at least 3 things you're grateful for every day. This shifts your focus from what's lacking to what is abundant in your life, promoting a mindset of positivity and abundance. My Magic and Gratitude online group noticed incredible improvements using a more detailed approach to this practice and experienced incredible and life-changing results within a few days. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you. The company you keep influences your mindset. Engage in conversations that stimulate growth and make positivity contagious. Lastly, for this video, take care of your physical health. Regular exercise and good nutrition can greatly affect mental well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, making a positive mindset more attainable. I also recommend block therapy. You can find more information at www.transformationstm.com/blocktherapy. These steps may take time, however, the journey is well worth it. By clearing limiting beliefs and releasing negative emotions, you open yourself to a world of opportunities and inner peace. Thank you for tuning in. If this video resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Until next time, stay positive and keep growing. Marilyn Devonish.